Hey folks, one of my most important pieces of everyday gear during this last year was actually this Anker Nano power bank. I love this thing because of this little guy. It's got a built-in USB-C cord, something that I never have to go searching for, but I really just love this thing in a pinch. I'd use it to charge up the phone, my AirPods, even some of my smaller lights I could use, and the DJI microphones I would use for this. So this was just always in my bag, ready to go whenever I needed to charge. This year, with the iPhone 16 out and its faster charging capabilities, I needed something a little more powerful. And that's when I grabbed one of these Anker 20,000 milliamperes. This has got 87 watts that it can pump out at all at once, or 65 watts on a single port. It also has the built-in USB-C cord, which I think is just crucial. That is such a good design idea for Anker to do that. So you've got one USB-C here, you still have your USB-A up here, and another in and out USB-C on top for charging. There are a couple differences about this. Obviously you can see the size of these two. The 87 watt or 20,000 milliampere one is much heavier. There's probably about 2 of these guys in this. I'll show the weights right now. It's something noticeable, but this thing isn't like a brick. It's still pretty lightweight. Another thing that is different are the screens. I've always really liked these new screens that Anker is putting on their battery banks and their chargers and stuff, and it just gives you more information. You're clicking the button, you're seeing how much power is being used, and you're also going to see how long it takes to charge this thing so you can get out the door. The 20,000 milliampere one does not have such an extravagant screen. It's just got a couple digits right there giving you a percentage of how much power is left in this, but this thing cooks. This thing will definitely charge the iPhone 16s as fast as it can go. This also charges faster than the Nano 30 watt, and that makes sense. Bigger, faster charging, faster to charge. And this guy is on sale all the time. I'm seeing this on sale for almost the same price, just like $10 more. So this is usually $30 to $40. I've seen this guy come down all the way to $50. Just a much better value for your money. I think with this larger bank, you can do more with it. You can charge more things at once. You can charge up to 3 devices with this. You can only do 2 at once with this. So check out these Ankers. Either one is a win just because of this built-in USB-C cord. I think that is really brilliant because that was one thing that I was always searching for. Where's the dang wire? I'll put the links in the description down below, but check out this bigger guy. I think you will like this one a lot more, actually. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hit that subscribe button down below, and I hope to see you at the next one. Take care.